Okay, hello everyone. Nasigi video sida I hello alkanes ki matangda magi preparation and properties ko maruena chemical properties discuss torke. Ahan with hello alkanes si karino habda alkyl halide su kawi ko. Masi karino haba matamda alkyl group amada alkyl group si R na represent awi sidai the halogen am tappa ko the halogen si kari oigi haikanda si halogen si group 17 de yaw predictable ko group 17 de yaw ba fluorine chlorine bromine and iodine way ko sigi R sina alkyl group ni which is formed by removing one hydrogen from an alkane alkyl group ni R ko so this is alkyl group. Okay. Now ngasi ikona focus tawdo si hello alkanes ki preparation and the magi properties the ko aduna ahanba magi kano si magi preparation da reaction khara hairge preparation of kanagi hello alkanes ahanba preparation si khona kanada ki prepare to ba yage haikanda alkane de ki prepare to ba yage ko alkane de ki prepare to si kona chlorination natragana bromination to hali in presence of light natragana high temperature 773 kelvin de heat to ga su alkane de ki kona hello alkane prepare to ba yage ko ahanba si kai ne ba alkane de ki prepare to ba yage. Now let me give one example. Methane lere methane si chlorination to hallo in presence of light or heat to be like 773 Kelvin. Now one of the hydrogen atoms of alkane or methane is replaced by chlorine. Adu say the plus ICl byproduct in a adu say I suppose sumaina ethane lower ever go then lower and if it is reacted with bromine in presence of light H news in light go. Now these two carbon atoms are same aduna ekhona sidaida amadagi heta ekhona kai lathokpi ai hydrogen lathooga ko halogen do ekhona attach tawpi ai sumaina. Now if we take an alkane having two different types of carbon atoms, for example say I propane lawreba ko propane sidaida ne sigi carbon atom siga ma Mani both are primary carbon atoms. Si carbon siga similar or equivalent or mani. This is a different carbon atom. So hydrogen is substitution to udam say any thona to be either to this carbon atom or this carbon atom. Accordingly, we will have two different alkyl halides. So let me write the two alkyl halides. Now see suppose chlorination to in presence of light, then ahan badana sidagi substitution to holle ani subadana sagi to holle sidagi or sidagi sab mani ko adana we will have two different alkyl halides here chlorine this is one alkyl halide and another alkyl halide is CH3 CH2 CH2 the Cl I byproduct to either ko khaingo. Now sida monochloro product kya form to ba monochloro product two monochloro products. Khaingo ado I suppose say the alkane amamu laura age ko so suppose CH3 CH CH3 ado say the CH3 lauro ko sigi alkane se isobutane kawi or 2 methyl propane kawi sigi chlorination to halakko matamda chlorination to halakko matamda in presence of what light. Say the different carbon atoms kya yaw ge hakanda ani yawi different carbon atoms ani yaw ko sigi carbon siga ne si carbon siga and this carbon siga om siga mane and this is a different carbon atom. Sidai the product ani form to two different products habiti kana no hakanda sidagi of substitution to halaga form to ba ama sidagi substitution to halaga form to ba ma habiti kaino CH3 CH3 say the CH to the kai lakadova Cl plus sida substitution to me agi se ko tertiary carbon atom se sigi hydrogen si gi jaga da kana lakpa chlorine lakpa sumaina CH3 adugo sida kai lakpa CH3 yare ko 2 monochloro MCC monochloro havni ko 2 monochloro products are formed here also. Now sigi example sida kitang important or different or ma karino have matamda sidai da ai sigi alkane se ai bromination su to hange ba ko Br2 in presence of light khai ko we will get these two similar products Cl ki jaga da kana lakani bromine khaktang lakhani khai ko sigi Cl ani se sigi jaga da kana lakada ba bromine khaktang la I have the kaino CH3 CH CH3 CH2 here it is bromine plus CH3 C CH3 CH3 say the kailane ba bromine. Okay, now interesting point here is kaigumba smaina alkyl halide ani form torgadi ko amagi amount na measure oiba amagi na minor oiba ni lei measure amount the form torakpa the major product kawi the minor amount the less amount the form torpuduna kidoba minor product kawi ko ado in case of chlorination in presence of light this product primary carbon atom the substitution to form to say this is formed as the major product. This is the major product while this is minor product. While in case of bromination this product is the major product. Janta re ko sigi maram si karida base hogi hai kan ne sida chlorination na tagana bromination to han basi sigi ani sigi maram si ko this is important point to note down sigi ani sigi maram si karino have matam da reactivity of kanagi halogen se chlorine sine hena reactive oye kanadagi bromine dagi this is reactivity ko reactivity. Now reactive oye rabni na sidai da attacking reagent se attacking reagent si kana oige hai kanda electrophile nucleophile and hydroid sida free radical oy chlorine free radical bromine free radical ena janta re ko na chlorine free radical is more reactive than bromine free radical and is mane ko now this is more reactive hai bagi asa kai no hai kanda chlorine radical se less selective oy sorry this is what less selective oy masi ko adugo bromine radical sina less reactive oy ba habdi more selective oy masi more selective oy ba habdi kaino yamna khanba nupi gi type ko nupi si bazar sathu matam ke doi yamna khalidna best product mo di law na gi damakta dukan am de am da bangjang sang best mo choose to best and cheap and best ka ko adu nupa am dum ni chlorine sina ko mo matam laite less selective habdi less time habni matam khan nge matam laite ba madi ko aduna kamai to ge hai kanda in case of chlorine radical in case of chlorination ma khan bagi matam laite madi daklom thijalaga for example ko si example ma usually I sumena p kari haiduna container amada suppose ko tupa tara chapi chandi ga tupa ani chapi chandi harisini ko chandi du ko round coin do now 10 rupees coin se suppose manga habe ba aduga 2 rupees coin na ne 95 habe ba in si container sida adu ke doi mix up tawe mix up tawre se 10 rupees na karam mono 2 rupees na karam mono coin sindui khona mix up tawre ba ko aduga now yo chlorine radical si kaman tawgi haga ma select tawbagi matam laite ma di makhut sida lon thinjalaga chlorine radical si thinjalaga tholakpado aduni man puro sakido gyan taraba aduga bromine radical sina kamai to ma di select tawgane khan gane nupi gi type gyan tare ko nupi gi type ta habidi moidi select tawraga mam khalaga best to khalle habiduni ko nupi gi type ta nupi me am sawin to gani this is better okay ado select to we ma di ga ma jawi lupa lupa tara sapi candi ama lawga ani sapi candi ama lawga kana ni heli tara sini hen ama gun leitro ada nupi mai ni tara duin khalle habni yan tarba ada nupa mai di tak thinjala tak sakit ko aduna chlorine radicals is just like males, bromine radicals are just like females. Aduna chlorine radicals imana dak lom thinjan matam da masing yam du sidagi suppose aina dak lom thinjan naga lokthor ko matam da lokthok pa yabagi higher probability lairisi ani sapi gi koindura or tara gi koindura masing yam du orodro dala na mit dum dalam thinjala ma satorok pagi yabagi ko satorok pa yabagi higher probability lairisi masing yam du ne haba gyan taraba and dalam thinjala satorok se ani sapi jani solo karna most probably khangba aduba khanba habidi somen inthok to ni ani sapi jani ko inthoga tara du select or khanba habidi gyan taraba aduna bromine radical select or ga ne sigi se suppose sidaida sigi sai ngak teng muthat ke ko sida sigi hydrogen do man lawthok khaga sidaida tertiary free radical am form to haleba tertiary free radical am form to haleba ko and tertiary free radical is more stable best one can by to select to by to sineba ko aduga sidaida makam bromine radical amana kidoiba attack tawraga sida bromine la heba aduna more stable oiba intermediate am form to na with the select to we have a bromine di selective oibanina it has more time to select yan tare ko aduna sida bromine form to reba aduga chlorine ki case di dalam sila dal sato pod lak podu kana lagi masing yam du lawodro masing yam si kaino sigi hydrogen ahum siga mapan ne tertiary hydrogen di amakatani gyan tarba aduna saigi tara sapi sandi masing yam dabdo aduga sab mane tertiary hydrogen case yare ko sigi maram si karine ba reactivity of halogen si chlorine ne hena reactive oibagini bromine ne hena selective oibagini chlorine dagi therefore tertiary haloalkane is formed as a major product in case of bromination while primary haloalkane is formed in case of as major product in case of chlorination yare ko aduna monochloro product si kya form tawge na question hangba yawi marak ta ko aduna sidagi monochloro product ani form tawni major or minor or that is different case ko ado ai ama khaktang da sidai irake next example suppose sidai product iroi monochloro product kya form tawge habdo adu khaktang hai se ko so suppose CH3 CH CH3 CH2 CH3 sigi alkane se sigi chlorination or bromination to hanba matamda monochloro product sugumba halogen amakanga substitution tawba product kya form tawge hairagadi kari khungoni magi answer in presence of light niko kya oigani hai kanda ikoni yegadabu si kaino how many different carbon atoms are present in the alkane adu ikoni check tawgane ba ko alkane the carbon atom different over kya yawgi habdu yengani aduga different carbon atoms today the substitution to halaga yandare ko aduga monochloro product kya form to gidu ko khangane ba now let us count the different carbon atoms in which hydrogen is attached and different carbon atom present oi hyduna hydrogen tab to the substitution to oi yandare ko now yengu say the carbon kya no yal lai se da mangani this carbon atom methyl ahum di yauri ko methyl ahum se ahum loina manabra habidi manate sigi methyl siga manade ko these two methyl groups are different because mangon sigi methyl se tab isi kana CH2 ni sigi methyl se tab isi CH mande kandarba somdam stabai dina ko aduga siga di mane exactly same aduna sigi carbon sine I suppose one na tholaga this is a different carbon atom to which hydrogen is attached. This is another different carbon atom and this is a different carbon atom. Aduna, in this alkane we have how many different carbon atoms? 4 different carbon atoms. Therefore, monochlorination tawhanba matamda monochloro product kaya form tawgani hairagadi mari laibanina 4 monochloro products form tawne. Yareko, this is one of the preparations of kanagi halo alkanes khangi ko mathangi preparation ai harage sigisi ingbiyo duga next preparation si karino haba matamdane okay next preparation of halo alkane is from alcohol this is our alcohol ꯑꯗꯨꯒ alcoholꯗꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯐꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ RX ꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ chlorine-ꯒꯨꯝꯕ bromine-ꯒꯨꯝꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ reagent ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ use ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ PCl3 नत्रगना PBr3 क्या तरबा और SOCl2 और PCl5 so मैंने reagent में यहाँ पर लई to convert alcohol into alkyl halide or haloalkane. Now let me give one example. And best reagent to prepare haloalkane from alcohol is this our SOCl2, which is called thionyl chloride. Okay, usually I do not write the byproducts, but in this reaction I'll write the byproduct, and I'm going to tell why this is the best reagent to prepare haloalkane from alcohol. Okay, now example is, let me take this example, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol dene SOCl2 का reaction तो हल्लो SOCl2 का reaction तो हल्लो मतलब दा this OH is replaced by Cl or displaced का CH3 CH2 सीधे कहीं लाए Cl लाए. Now byproduct ने सीधागी Cl अमंदे मिको सीधागी H में पुल लगा HCl क्या दरबा अदिको O अमगा SO अमगा पुल लगा SO2 सीगी अन्नी से byproduct उन्हें form तो है बको अन्नी से byproduct उन्हें form तो बसी मखोई सी कहीं नो है कंदा gas उन्हें थोले है gas उन्हें थोलक पनी ना मखोई सी कमाई तो बा by never, and we will get the pure alkyl halide. Gyan tarba. This is second preparation of haloalkane from Karnataki alcohol. Example mayamo PBI. See example of the PBI. This is our benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol ga PCl3 ka reaction to halaga. We will get this our benzyl chloride. Gyan tarba. The PBI thi lauro benzyl bromide form to ras. Okay, next preparation of haloalkane is from Karnataki. When haloalkane prepared, तो we है करना haloalkane की preparation से in fact कहनो देखिए alkene देखिए तो भी है. This is from alcohol. The first one is from alkane. The third one is from alkene. Alkene की से general और alkene से सुमें suppose ये कार्बन double bond ले रहे को सुमाइना alkene लाउ रोबो common होए ना को सीधे जा my reaction तो हन बसी कोई ना H का और X2 का reaction तो हल्ले general होए ना H ना तुम high रखे को सीधे reaction तो हन बुमा तम दा सीधी hydrogen ना सीधे जा चले सीधी halogen ना सीधे चले now सी symmetrical होए रखा डिसनिंग बा मुझे था कोई ना add तो भी जाए को ज्ञान तारबा. This is electrophilic addition reaction, electrophilic in nature ko, because double bond has excess of electron and sidai the plus minus in laigani na ICL ko electron excess laigani na electron wat pa electrophile do hydrogen do adu hana add to ne ba yan darba nucleophile x na ko na add to ka ne ba ko. But for now let me write like this, say the hydrogen aduga sida na kari halogen just when la ka ne ba ko. Sige example ma oin high rabada very simple example is ethene lauro ko ethene ga kana ga reaction to hon bi ai HBr ga for example reaction to holo HBr ga reaction to hon metan since this alkene is symmetrical in nature hydrogen se sida halogen ne sida add to we will get the same haloalkane yare ko. Now if we take two different if we take an unsymmetrical alkene. This is the example. Suppose CH3 CH double bond CH2 in a low level. This is an unsymmetrical alkene now. सीधे जने कुछ एक ना suppose करी HCl का reaction तो हल्ला से बको अदुगा HBr का सु reaction तो हन से निश्चित माने सब माने को अदु सीधे जा HBr को HBr in presence of peroxide. Peroxides are those compounds in which oxygen single bond is present. Oxygen single bond present over the compound we can take over peroxide hydrogen peroxide, sodium peroxide, methyl peroxide, benzoyl peroxide. So many peroxides are there. Barium peroxide can be able to go. सिगा presence the reaction to one bama aduga aroibida ICl in presence of peroxide. I peroxide to example when either peroxide and ire now say the product easy and bagi any system mane no difference is there ICl logira HBr logira HI logira same thing HF to belong to the reactivity name it. Now in this case Markovnikov's rule is applied to predict the measured product. Now what Markovnikov rule says, the negative part of the reagent, which is partial negative chlorine, adds to that carbon atom having lesser number of hydrogen atoms, while the hydrogen opposite part goes to that carbon atom having higher number of hydrogen atoms. This is Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule in fact carbocation formation tawi intermediate oina, and whenever carbocation is formed as an intermediate in an organic reaction, rearrangement yengani koina rearrangement yengane a more stable carbocation form to give possibility libra hydrogen check togani. If there is that possibility, then rearrangement to halagane more stable of carbocation to the give form to product to the measure organeva yandare ko adu sidadi dumba laite simple reaction ni aduna sidai CH3 CH ta kari taba aneba sidai da Cl taba ne duga CH2 dana hydrogen tabaga it becomes CH3 double bond like single bond tangari pi bond has been broken addition reaction ni ko aduga step man has been legani minor product is this one CH3 CH the hydrogen laga CH2 then kari lakadaba chlorine lakba sina kainaba minor product. This is major product. Similarly in case of HBr also sidai da kai lakaneba Br lani sidai hydrogen lani. These two are major products. Aduga minor product is lakta se CH3 CH2 CH2 da Br lani. Gyan tare ko sigi ani si kari ni haba. These two are major products. These two are kari neba different reaction ni ko ani si kari neba major product neba ko major. Aduga sigi ani si na kari neba they are minor. Yare ko sima. Okay, now let us come to the next reaction. Sigi sina major product oini have sikana na hayaba. This is Markovnikov's rule. This is according to Markovnikov's rule. Yare ko. Now this is peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov rule or Kras effect. Now in presence of peroxide, in presence of any peroxide, anti-Markovnikov rule says that the negative part of the reagent, which is say the canano Br say, goes to that carbon atom having higher number of or larger number of hydrogen atoms. Sig Br sinane sidai oina sat kaneba duga positive part hydrogen sinane swing lagani. The plus minus sum statement the loan begini in reaction mechanism plus minus and enthalpy. This is a free radical mechanism. Free radical reaction mechanism follow to weba ko sina carbocation form to weba ko yare ko adu magi anti Markovnikov rule gi keno su rehatare mechanism gi video so ino mang sem jakrabani. Okay, now say the magi product CH3 CH say the hydrogen lagane sigi keno sida Br lakpase. This is our major product. Aduga minor product na so na kan ibsi minor irage first line sina ina major gi irage ko tongan na inadraso. CH3 sida CH ta kai la ne ba Br laga sigi da CH3. This is minor and this is major. Okay, let me write here. Okay, this is major and this is minor. Okay, now what about this reaction? So then Markovnikov rule follow to with the anti-Markovnikov rule follow to with the have a question to say the arise to web ko ICl ni peroxide ni HBr ni peroxide ni. Actually peroxide effects hai peroxide yaw bani natro si change lai hai si change lag pa se have the peroxide effects hai ICl da HI da valid oide aduna apply to deba khaba aduna peroxide yaw baga yaw da baga sidai da doesn't matter at all. Aduna peroxide yaw de hydrogen sub याउदे हाइबगा सब मानगनी अदुना करी रूल फॉलो तोगनी मार्कोनिकोव रूल ज्ञान तारे को दिस इज एंटी मार्कोनिकोव रूल according to anti Am's rule हायरगे को anti Am's rule है को green ने इसे कितने सेंग जी वाली अदु वही है okay now this is according to Markovnikov's rule अदुना major product है this will be our major product while this is our minor product से तो कई लाने बा 2 अदुगा CH2 the CH3 so this is minor and this is our major product and this is according to Markovnikov's rule Am's rule खंगनी को okay now अरो विदाई reaction हम खत्म के सीधे add तो गए hello alkane vicinal dihalide form तो बगी reaction को सीधे दा गिने सिगिसी form तो गया हर गदी CH अदुगो single bond सीधे दा CH2 सुमाइना सीधे दा Br नतगना Cl अनि लाखनगी हर गदी Br नतगना अनि लाखनगी हर गदी आई सीधे Br की इरके को Br की इरसु याए दो केनोगी रसु के सुकाई देखो Br की रखुस दई तो गान तो पॉइंट हम को तक एक्स्ट्रा ऐड तो होगी तो अपनी को Br सीखो ना Br अमी लाखन के हागदी को न करी लवी खंगरा ब्रोमीन का वाटर का लव है बा ब्रोमीन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ CCl4 लव से या के सुकाई देखो क्लोरीन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ CCl4 लव रगदी सिगे ब्रोमीन अनि सा क्लोरीन अनि लानी नाउ सीधे द पॉइंट हम ले सिगिसदा कईगुंबा Br2 को अदुगा in presence of water से कईगुंबा excess लौरगदी if water is taken in excess then one of the bromine is again displaced by OH आई बियारम थोखरनी खबा अदु कई फॉर्म तो खंगरा CH3 क्या तरबा सिदैदा कई लाकनी OH अदुगा सिदा करी CH2 दना Br सुमिन लाय हाबदी hello hydroxy that haitare alkane is formed adu my nomenclature this is kailani say 1 bromo propane 2 all ni irani ko adu sigi na 1 2 dibromopropane na yare ko these are some reactions to prepare haloalkanes adu ngasigi video se ai swai telo sinjage mathangi video da ai alkyl halides ki chemical reactions की मतंग दा इन वीडियो सेंजर आगे वीडियो से खर सांग ओके थैंक यू फॉर टुडे